Bosch makes great individual products, but what our customers need is an integrated solution. One of the scenarios that we've put together today is a Bosch integrated solution with an intrusion panel with access control reader, a Bosch IP video camera, as well as the Bosch video management system operator workstation. Imagine a scenario where there's a multi-site business owner who would like to know when the system is opened and disarmed or armed and closed for the day. They can scan the employee's badge at the door. The IP video camera takes a snapshot and sends it to the operator workstation. In addition to that, the manager gets a text message to let them know that the system is armed or disarmed.
In high security applications, we can use Bosch intrusion systems, IP video, and our integrated paging systems for high security applications such as cash rooms, ATM machines, and medical record storage. So here I have our intrusion system with dual authentication. It requires something I have, my fingerprint, plus something I know, a PIN code, to arm the system. Now that the system is armed, my IP camera with analytics is creating a virtual barrier in front of the painting to protect it should anyone try to touch it. Now, should that happen, the analytic is going to trigger an event to play pre-recorded messages to warn that person they're doing something they shouldn't be doing. So here goes.
This area is under surveillance. Please step away from the painting.
And I'll get the page.
Alert! Painting in Zone 2 has been touched.
My security can now go and investigate.
One Bosch product that can integrate security and comm products is Bosch Video Management System. Here's an example of what an operator workstation might look like using BVMS. Some features of the workstation are the camera call-up, the logical device tree with real-time status of the devices, as well as alarm monitoring. An additional feature is the maps. On the maps, you have the ability to pull icons from the intrusion panel, access control, and cameras. A good benefit of having the maps is, imagine a scenario where you have a delivery at a dock, but the dock worker has just gone on lunch break. Someone from the front desk or from the facilities management team can hover over a camera icon and validate that there is a delivery at the back door. They can then go to that security area and right-click and disarm from the map, as well as right-click on the door and cycle power, allowing the delivery person to enter the building. They can then use the maps to follow that delivery person through the building. Once they've verified that the delivery has been made and the delivery person has left the building, they can right-click and arm the system from the map as well. The other great thing about BVMS is it's completely scalable for any application.
So what we're going to show you in this example is how our intrusion products can incorporate with our Bosch public address system. The first example we're going to show you is a panic button. This can be wired or wireless. The example here is when we press this button, it's going to distribute a message. This could be maybe a bank teller, this could be somebody in a machine factory that's in distress, or it could be a teacher in a classroom. This message can distribute throughout the facility or can be directed to a specific zone or through our two-way radio system. The example we're going to show you here is a message going out to our security team on the two-way radios.
Alert! Device number 12 has been triggered.
The second example we're going to show is how to incorporate the Bosch public address system in with the Bosch fire system. This can be used in a couple different ways. Maybe you have a retail application where you have background music playing, advertisements, that type of thing, or you have a classroom where it's totally quiet and we're going to not have to override anything. So what we'll do is we'll make an announcement into the facility.
Emergency alert. An alarm has been activated. Please stand by for further instructions.
And then we'll also give a detailed message.
Alert! Call station activated in Zone 4.
With this, we have a couple different options here. We can continue to make pages from the call station in the facility, or we can actually take ourselves and get ourselves out into safety. What we can do with our Telex radio dispatch product is we can actually link the two-way radios into the public address system. So if we want to make a page, check 1, 2,
Check 1, 2.
We continue to make pages while we're out in safety as well, or checking out the incident in the facility. So the Bosch system, public address system, can be scalable from 1 zone or 2 zones all the way up to a large decentralized or centralized system for multi-sites, multi-campus applications.
When these products are combined with services made available through our remote monitoring centers, there are interesting things that we can do to monitor activity outside of the building. For example, in the case of an event within one of our customers' locations, we can capture a video clip of an event that had happened. The monitoring center is then presented with 5 seconds of activity before the event, 5 seconds of activity after the event, so they know everything that had happened to cause that alarm. In addition, they are presented with live videos side by side so they can see the current state of the event. If they've made the determination that there's something going on the site that's not appropriate, they then can choose to play a recording that will then issue a warning to the people on the site.
You are in a secure area. Please leave the space immediately or security will be dispatched.
For this service and many others, please contact our partner monitoring centers. You can benefit from this technology whether you get a complete Bosch solution or combine our technology with software from one of our partners. Our Bosch IP cameras and control panels are compatible with a wide range of security software solutions from other industry partners. More details on the Bosch Integration Partner Program are available at ipp.boschsecurity.com.